嚟到 Pastéis 呢度朝聖啦。但係咧見到條人龍咧，我都已經有啲心寒啦，因為真係好多人啦。
好彩記者識得老闆，唔使排隊。
10 na ISEC Porta Pastéis de Belém。
我覺得終於揾到一間係好食嘅葡撻啦，喺 Lisbon。
得罪講句 ，Phoebe 食咗幾日葡撻都唔覺得有一隻可以完全俘虜佢嘅心，直至遇上你，世界上第一隻誕生嘅葡撻，係第一隻葡撻誕生嘅地方啊！本身嚟自呢一間修道院，不過後來就俾旁邊呢一間原本係甘蔗煉油廠嘅老闆買咗個配方，成為世上第一間葡撻店，已經有181年歷史啦。
One of the oldest bakeries in Lisbon for sure, and we've been able to keep the recipe exactly the same for all these years. Still, the greater part of the process is handmade, and the ingredients we use are the same, and the way we mix them is exactly the same.
咁而家咧就會跟佢哋入去工場，睇下佢哋有啲咩秘密喺後面。
Stretching and cutting the dough, as we saw in the table back there. Now this stage of the process is molding the dough into the cups, and they need to be done in a specific way, one by one. And this is a technique that has been used since the 19th century. The custard is made by our chefs, so that's the secret part of the recipe. We put the custard inside the mold. The molds already have the pastry in. Once they have the pastry and the custard, they come inside the oven where they cook for about 20 minutes at a very high temperature, around 400 degrees Celsius. We usually cook about 900 at a time. We make about 20,000 pastéis per day.
咦，硬係爭啲嘢未講嘅，原來就係呢一隻門後面收埋咗一個181年嘅秘密。
Oh, no, not inside. Sorry. It's written here in Portuguese. Secret room or secret shop. It's here that the three chefs make the pastry and the custard for the Pastéis de Belém, and that's why we can't go in. And when they're working, the door is closed. Okay. Well, the secret recipe is only known by the managers, three, and also the chefs that make the pastry and the custard. They are also three. So 6 people in total know the recipe for the Pastéis.
Including you.
Yes.
老師，咁我哋應該點樣正確食用葡撻呢？
You can use some cinnamon or sugar. We use some cinnamon or sugar because, like the cakes, these were spices that were stored at the monastery. They also go very well with the cakes. So then just go for it.
我覺得終於揾到一間係好食嘅葡撻啦，喺 Lisbon。佢個皮係超好味，33層咁鬆化，好好味啊！佢卜卜咁，同埋咧，佢嗰個 secret recipe 應該係神奇嘅地方就係，你就算有葡撻凍咗咧，個皮都係好脆好香。咁入面嗰個餡咧，其實都係偏向 creamy 嘅，但係我終於食到一間個感覺係唔似漿糊，佢唔係好甜啊。因為平時喺 Lisbon 食嘅葡撻咧，應該係有80%都係偏甜嘅。